Welcome aboard the magnificent Allure of the Seas. In today's walking tour, we'll explore decks 15 and 16, the heart of the ship's outdoor fun and relaxation areas. These upper decks are where guests gather to swim, sunbathe, enjoy the ocean breeze, and experience some of the most exciting attractions at sea. As we walk through the main pool decks, you'll see the lively beach pool, the sports pool, Splashaway Bay Kids water area, relaxing hot tubs, colorful pool bars, rows of lounge chairs, and thrilling water slides that make this area one of the busiest and most energetic parts of the ship. Allure of the Seas was launched in 2010 by Royal Caribbean and quickly became one of the largest cruise ships in the world, part of the revolutionary Oasis Class. This ship changed the cruise industry with its massive size, unique neighborhood design, and resort-style experience at sea. Stretching more than 1,100 feet long, Allure of the Seas offers guests an experience that feels more like a floating city than a traditional cruise ship. From entertainment and dining to outdoor attractions and family activities, there is something happening around every corner. As you walk through decks 15 and 16, expect a lively atmosphere filled with music, laughter, and incredible ocean views. The beach pool area is designed to feel like a resort, with shallow entry pools and comfortable seating nearby. The sports pool is often more active, with guests swimming, relaxing, or participating in onboard activities. Families with children will enjoy Splashaway Bay, a colorful water play area designed for younger cruisers looking to cool off under the Caribbean sun. Throughout the deck, you'll also find hot tubs overlooking the ocean, poolside bars serving tropical drinks, and countless lounge chairs where guests spend hours relaxing and soaking in the scenery. Deck 16 adds even more excitement with elevated viewpoints of the pool deck and access to thrilling attractions like the water slides and surf simulators. Whether you're looking for adventure or simply a place to unwind, these decks capture the fun and energy that make cruising aboard Allure of the Seas such a memorable experience. If you're planning to sail on this ship, these pool decks are some of the best places to enjoy the sunshine, people watch, and experience the vibrant atmosphere that defines life on board this incredible floating resort. Thank you so much for joining me on this walking tour of decks 15 and 16 aboard Allure of the Seas. I truly appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed exploring the pools, water attractions, and outdoor spaces on this incredible ship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more walking tours and travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.